There's secrets in the trees. Fire crackles dancing with ease. Water flows in soothing streams. Earth hums softly with its dreams. Lightning strikes with a fierce roar. Thunder follows asking for more. Raindrops play their softest tune. Snowflakes fall beneath the moon. Elements sing their ancient song. Nature's choir all day long. Feel the rhythm in the air. Everywhere you look, it's there. Sunlight warms the morning dew. Stars shine bright in midnight's view. Mountains stand with timeless pride. Ocean waves, they never hide. Storms can rage, but they subside.